Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on how we can actually use pivot table to perform data analysis and data storytelling. If you look in this particular file, we notice that we do have a requirement whereby we need to actually show the sales of each Apple product categories for the respective countries and also include the total sales and its apportionment or also the allocation. In this given data set, we do have the date, Apple product categories, sales method, the geographical location like the continent, countries, cities, the Apple product models and also sales USD. So this given data set, what we need to do is we need to show the sales of each Apple product categories for the respective countries and also includes its allocation. So actually in this given data, what we should do? First and foremost is I'll put my cursor over here anywhere inside the table and I'll press Ctrl A. When I press Ctrl A, it will highlight the entire table and then I go to Insert, I click Pivot Table and then I press OK. By pressing OK, you will go to a new sheet and on your right hand side, you have Pivot Table field. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the Apple product categories. I'm also going to take the countries and I'm going to click on the sales USD. So in this case, what we get to understand is the sales of each Apple product categories and each in the respective countries. And then I also going to drag the sales as you can see over here. I'm not going to untick or tick this. Instead, I'm going to select this and drag it and put on the value section. So in this case, we will have two columns or two sum of sales over here. So why I need two sum of sales? Because one, it shows the sales. The next one is I want to show the percentage allocation. So I'm going to put my cursor over here on column C and row number 5 and I'm going to press right click. When I press right click, I'm going to go to show value as and I'm going to click on percentage of parent row total. So when I click here, you will notice that right now it will show me the percentage of parent row. Meaning to say when I just right click and I sort largest to smallest, not only we can actually perform a data analysis, but also we are able to see a data storytelling. Meaning to say, when you talk about Apple Watch, we notice that Malaysia dominate the market. When you talk about iPhone, it is dominated by India, so does MacBook. And when you look about other accessories, we notice that Australia dominate the market. So meaning to say, we can actually see which countries dominate in the respective Apple products. And if just say we want to know what is the top performing Apple product, we can just press right click over here and then sort largest to smallest. So in this way, we get to know what about 54% sales dominated by iPhone. And if just say we want to give a better data storytelling, we can just add up 54 and 35. So meaning to say, what we get is about 90% of the sales is dominated by iPhone and MacBook. So this is how we can actually provide a data storytelling to our clients, stakeholders, and also the top management. But if just say your manager want to see the Apple product categories for respective countries. So in this case, what I need to do is I just need to drag the countries and put it over here. So when I put it over here, I managed to see what is the top performing countries and for each country, what are the top performing products. So this is how pivot table not only can provide data analysis, but also it is able to actually provide a data storytelling. And then what you can put is you can actually improve your cosmetic, meaning you say you can just put here total sales and you can also put here as percentage allocation or apportionment. So in this case, your manager not only can analyze the sales, but also able to provide a data storytelling to the client.